Hop into the 2022 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Compass, the upscale, sophisticated compact SUV with advanced safety features to protect your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, remote engine start. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.